Good morning, students. Today I am going to start trigonometric functions. Last year you have done trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. By using this all formula, we will do this exercise. We will see the exercise here. That is 4. See the question number 1. Question number 1 is given. Cos raised to the power 4 theta minus sin raised to the power 4 theta, it is equal to 2 times cos square theta minus 1, it is equal to 1 minus 2 times sin square theta. Now see question what is given, you have to prove here cos raised to the power 4 theta minus sin raised to the power 4 theta equal to 2 times cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 times sin square theta. We will take LHS, that is cos raised to the power 4 theta minus sin raised to the power 4 theta. Now see here, it is given 2 times cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 times sin square theta, and we are getting here cos raised to the power 4 theta minus sin raised to the power 4 theta. So we can write like this, cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Now since it is of the form a square minus b square, it is equal to a minus b and a plus b. We will use this. Our a is sin square theta, our a is cos square theta, b is sin square theta. So we will get here cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta. This we will get. Now we know that, since we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta by identity it is equal to 1. So remaining will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now this we have got, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta we have got. See what we have to prove, 2 times cos square theta minus 1 first case, second case is 2 times sin square theta. So here we are getting cos square theta minus sin square theta. What we will do, we have to replace this sin square theta in terms of cos, in second time cos in terms of sin. So we will take this cos square theta minus sin square theta. By the first identities we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So what we will do, we will replace this, that is sin square theta, it is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This we will replace. So we will get here cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. Now open the bracket. So it is cos square theta minus 1 minus minus will become plus cos square theta. Now cos square theta plus cos square theta will be 2 times cos square theta minus 1. This we have proved 1 terms, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now again further we have to prove the second part, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So again further we will take this cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now in previous we have replaced sin square theta in terms of cos theta. Now we will replace cos square theta in terms of sin square theta, that is we will use cos square theta, it is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This. So we will get here 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta, or it will become here 1 minus 2 times sin square theta. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So by using identities we have solved this. Now we will do another question. That is 2 times, this is question number 4, 2 times sin square theta plus cos square theta cos 4 theta, it is equal to 2 times sin square theta plus cos 4 theta equal to 1 plus sin raised to power 4 theta. Yes. So here we can write like this, Again we will take LHS, that is 2 sin square theta plus cos 4 theta can also be written as cos square theta whole square. Now we want sin theta here. So what we will do? We will replace cos square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. This. We will replace cos square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. So we will get here 2 times sin square theta plus 1 minus sin square theta whole square. This cos square theta we have replaced by 1 minus sin square theta and his square is given, so it will be square. Now further 2 times sin square theta plus, now here it is of the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we will get here 1 plus sin raised to the power 4 theta minus 2 times sin square theta. We have used here this formula, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this and this will be cancelled, so it is 1 plus sin raised to the power 4 theta. This is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now we will do another question. It is given here. That is sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta, we have to prove it is equal to 1 minus 2 times sec theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. Now what is the question given? Question, this is question number 8. It is given sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1 minus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 times tan square theta. Again we will take LHS, that is sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. We will rationalize. How will you rationalize? We will see the terms in the denominator, it is sec theta plus tan theta. So we will rationalize by sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. Rationalize means multiply and divide by the term, same term but difference in sign. So it will become sec theta minus tan theta whole square upon, in denominator is of the form a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta. Since denominator is of form a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Now since we know that, here we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta, it is equal to 1 by the identities. So we have used the identities here. So what remaining we are getting? Here we are getting sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Now it is of the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will use that. So we will get here sec square theta minus 2 times sec theta tan theta plus tan square theta. Now see the left right hand side of here. It is 1 minus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. Means we want the question in terms of, we want the answer in terms of tan theta, not the sec. So what we will do? We will replace sec square theta by, that is sec square theta. It is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We will replace here. So what we will get? 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 times sec theta tan theta plus tan square theta, or simplified. So it is 1 minus 2 times sec theta tan theta plus tan square theta plus tan square theta 2 tan square theta. This is RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is the proof. So try the question and do the sums.